Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Binance US for crypto updates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Binance US. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Review Binance US's terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email shortly. Open your email inbox and find the email from Binance US. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Return to the Binance US website. Log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Notifications or Email Preferences section. Select your preferences for crypto updates and news alerts. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. Stay tuned for the latest news and changes in the cryptocurrency market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.